when you show up for a rollout and nobody comes. So we're going to a car show at Quinipiacs University. We were gonna go to a rollout and drive out with some other cars so I could take some rollers. Well, we got there, pulled into the fucking parking lot, and there were 3 cars. Some shitty Pontiac, the Honda Civic, and a Golf. And I said, fuck that. So we left because I'm not gonna roll out with 3 other cars that are all pieces of shit. So
we were supposed to roll out at 8:30 and it was like 8:25 and we're like, there's literally like no one here, so.
And I also have football in 4 hours and we have 2 hours of driving. So I want to get as much time as we can down at the car show, not
and
wait
by
around.
2 hours he means an hour there and an hour back.
What she said. So talk to you when we're there. Finally at the show. Yes, we're finally at the show, so we're gonna go walk around now, see what's going on. We'll be here for a little bit. She's too short for this, so
We should show them all these beautiful cars that are rolling in.
beautiful.
Where's he going? He's right here.
Sit. You need to get food? Come on. Shit. She's not a good listener.
It's okay. Mark 4s and Mark 3s are so cute. Oh, didn't see you there.
So we just got done at the Quinipiac car show, and
Wow.
it doesn't sound great.
Should have probably shifted to second. But I mean, whatever.
Okay. It was actually a really good show. A lot of cool cars there. Got to see some of our good friends again. Sorry, forgot you're short. There was a fucking wide body R32 here, which was sick. One of our good buddies with a bagged Mustang was here. Friend Vinny with a nice M3, he was here. He had a new forged carbon fiber wing on the back of it. M3 is fucking insane. What else?
A dope diesel that just drove by. Overall, there was a lot of really nice builds.
It was a lot better turnout than I expected, to be honest. But I'm glad we came. Got to spend an hour and a half here looking at the cars and looking around. Hey. So unfortunately, we had to leave the car show much earlier than we wanted to. I have a football today at 12, and the car show is 40 minutes away, so we're on our way to that. But it was nice getting out and walking around, seeing all the nice cars and whatnot. I mean, definitely want to go to a lot more car shows this year than we have in the past year and a half. Alright.
Yeah, but why? We have football on Sundays and car shows on Sundays.
Oh yeah, the thing that sucks is we have football and car shows on Sundays, so it's a lot harder to make it out, especially with my games this year, most of them being at noon.
Like smack in the middle of the day. What the heck?
And car shows are typically from like 10 to 2-ish, it feels like. Today we got lucky and they started it up at 9 and we got there right as it opened. So it was nice. We got a good hour and a half to walk around at least, talk to some of our buddies, and we're hoping there's more car shows on Saturdays this year so we can spend more time and actually just relax and hang out with everybody and not feel rushed to get in and get out.
Take off.
It's a big W for the boys back home, going from 0-3 to 1-3. You know, pretty much the greatest thing ever. Final score of my Sunday flag football game. Very professional, high octane football. Okay.
High octane football.
High octane, very explosive plays, lots of contact. Mostly because people get in their feelings over Sunday flag football, which I still don't understand why that's the highlight of your week and it's all you got to live for. But
it's the highlight of your week.
You ain't wrong. We won 35-8 or 15 or 13. I mean, they scored twice at the end. We were beating them by like 28, and then they scored And we scored again, and then it was like the fourth quarter, and none of us wanted to get injured over garbage time, so they basically walked in the end zone, and then we ran out the clock. So nice easy W, get back on track. And as she mocks me, it's alright. But
Good game.
it was a good game, and I think that'll do it for this vlog, unless we do something interesting, which I doubt.
Yeah.
Got a lot of, she got homework to do.
Fun stuff.
I have a live stream I gotta finish watching. It's like 9 hours long. So, taking notes on that. I got some photos to edit. Maybe I'll make a quick video of me editing photos, but I don't know. We'll see. Well, you'll see.
Mm-hmm.